Preparing for board exams can feel stressful, especially when some chapters are still not prepared. But tools like ChatGPT can help you study in a smarter way. Start with planning. Open ChatGPT and type, "Make a board exam study plan for me. I have no science days left and can study new science hours daily." It helps you break the syllabus into small daily goals. This gives you clarity and reduces stress. While planning, you can also upload or paste the name of a chapter and ask ChatGPT to treat it like a full chapter and plan it from start to finish, just like you would see in a textbook. If you have a chapter you have not studied at all, begin with understanding. Ask ChatGPT, "Explain this chapter in very simple words." Then ask, "List the most important topics from this chapter for board exams." You can imagine this like opening a chapter page and highlighting only the lines that matter for exams. This helps you focus on important concepts instead of reading everything. For difficult subjects like maths and science, you can use ChatGPT to learn step by step. Type, "Solve this question step by step and explain each step simply." Read the method once, close the screen, and then try a similar question yourself. This way, you learn the process, not just the answer. For revision, ask ChatGPT to help you make notes. You can type, "Summarize this chapter in short points for quick revision." You can also ask for important formulas, definitions, and keywords from that chapter, just like a one-page revision sheet before exams. Practice is very important for board exams. Ask ChatGPT, "Create board exam style mock questions from this chapter." You can also ask for 2-mark, 3-mark, and long answer questions. Write the answers on your own. Then paste your answer and ask, "Check my answer and suggest how I can improve it." This helps you practice exam writing and find mistakes early. For language subjects, ChatGPT is very useful. Paste your answer and ask, "Improve this answer for board exams without changing my meaning." This helps you learn better sentence structure and scoring patterns. One important rule: do not copy answers. Use ChatGPT only to understand, plan, and practice. Always write in your own words. When used wisely, ChatGPT becomes a smart study partner. It helps you cover missed chapters, revise faster, and prepare with confidence. Subscribe to School My Kids for simple study tips that help students learn better and feel confident.